So hello everyone, in this video I'll be talking about how you can add meta information or the helpful information for different pages in Next.js. So you can see that in the main website which we have created yet, so we have this home page which is having this link. So it is not looking like link because I haven't added the styling, so consider it as a link. So you can see that in the tab there is only the location of the website. If I go to the login page by clicking here, it is also not having any change in here, but like in normally we have a head element, and inside that we write title element, and inside that we write some title for different pages. So how can you write that information for different pages? For that we use Next.js head element, which we can import in every page. For example, I want in here, so I'll be importing head element in here first. Head from next head, next backslash head, you have to write that. And it is also a built-in component which allows us to write different meta information for different pages inside it, or you can consider it as a normal head tag in every HTML page which you write. So this will allow us to write that head elements. So first in the head, generally we write title, so I'll be writing that. So in the title I can write home page or anything. Let me just write home. Also whatever the thing you can specify in head, such as meta, that you can also specify. So meta tag also you can specify in this head tag. Let me just copy paste it into the other routes or other pages as well. For example, in this login, because it has our route, so I can also use that in here. So let me just wrap it into a round bracket, and I'll be just using fragments. So you can also use the fragments in here, no need to worry about that. So after the head I have to paste my data, and also I can import it. So I can import it in here. Yeah, so now I can save the page, and now if I go to the home page, you can see I have written home there into the home page in the head element. So you can see head home is there. If I go to login page, so you can see home is again there because I've copy pasted the same thing. If I change in here login, then you can see the difference. So you can see that it is also changing. So this is head element. You can also include meta elements or meta tags in there also. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. So we'll be talking some other features in Next.js in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video. Let's meet in another one.